Do you feel that chatting or video calling with your teammate or coworker is ineffective? Well, my senior independent study in psychology can help you understand the difference that you feel between these two communication media. Virtual teams who communicate through technological channels are used more and more often by organizations because they want to reduce expenses and broaden their workforce. While some researchers have been skeptical about the effectiveness of virtual communication, others have emphasized that the trust development over time, which is facilitated by the information sharing process, can help improve the virtual team performance. The difference in trust and communication effectiveness between teams that talk face-to-face or through text chat could disappear over time. To understand trust in teamwork, let's break down trust development over time, which has two stages. The first is initial trust. Here, a person's trust toward another is heavily influenced by their own personalities, such as disposition to trust and agreeableness. The second stage is knowledge-based trust, which emerges after gathering more information about the other. Trust here includes two forms: cognitive trust, referring to competency and reliableness, and affective trust, referring to emotional bonds and goodwill. Finally, trust can have a strong impact on cooperation. I conducted an experiment to examine the difference in trust development among teams that communicate through video call, text chat, and text chat with the bonding guide. I used the prisoner's dilemma game to test trust and cooperation in pairs of students. To cooperate is to choose blue, and to defect or betray is green. Scores are asked the payoff table, and the objective is to get the most points. For 3 rounds, participants communicated through Skype for 3 minutes, make the game decision privately, and answer a trust survey to rate their interaction with their partner. Finally, they answer a questionnaire about their personalities. In my results, I found that time helped develop and increase both forms of trust across all communication media. Time also leveled out the difference in affective trust between video call teams who talk face-to-face and text chat teams. The limitation of virtual communication did create some drawbacks for text chat team in affective trust, but not cognitive trust. Also, the bonding guide helped text chat teams increase their affective trust, but not cognitive trust. Cooperation in the prisoner dilemma game was not a direct behavior outcome of trust, but there was an interesting trend. All text chat teams had drops in cooperation in round 2, suggesting that those who could not see each other's face were more likely to betray the other. Finally, personality factors like disposition to trust or agreeableness constantly influence trust in teamwork and interactions. Through my research, I want to highlight that trust development over time, information exchange, and team bonding are important for improving virtual team cooperation and productivity, and using technological communication at work is not so negative at all.